It's been a roller coaster, but you stayed. And now I'm taking over for the day. Cause I can be what you wanna be. And I can feel but you laugh at me. Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors I'm knocking on. I'm losing control. Be the one to leave my fantasy. Show you, babe, your hands all over me. No, I'll never let go. Cause now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for you. Now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for you. And all my
Guys, what is up? DC is right back again, and this time, guys, it is the Hot Wheels unboxing video. So you might be thinking what I got today. Today I've got the Hot Wheels, that's the Datsun Fairlady 2000, guys. It has got 1 out of 10 in the Legends of Speed, but still, who cares? This car is such a retro beauty. So yup, you know the drill. First the unboxing, and then we'll go for the information. So here it comes. Oh wow, guys, look at this car. It's so fantastic. It's so damn cool. Like, though it has that missing headlamps again and the fog lamps, even the front grille, and of course the tail lamps too, it still looks so nice. It's so attractive due to its detailing on its wheels with that silver trims on it. And yeah, of course the interior looks pretty good. And the side exhaust, of course, it's so nice. Well, this car looks really awesome, guys. It's all, it's beautiful. It's nice comparatively. But the only default, it misses all the light detailing and all. Rather than that, it's totally fine. Well, the rear view mirrors come up here, pop-ups type. It's really nice, guys. Wow, this car looks seriously awesome. Got the stickers all over it. So yep, guys, why don't we go for the information of the Fairlady 2000? Let's move. Guys, coming up to the information about the Fairlady 2000 right here. Why don't we start off with the production? The production actually began in 1967 and ended up in 1970, which is quite less for this car. Probably its styling lagged. And coming up to the engine, guys, the engine of this car is a 2-liter single overhead cam inline 4-cylinder, which was a rear wheel drive. Kind of good for this car, the rear wheel drive. Well, talking about the transmission, guys, the transmission in this car is a 5-speed manual as usual. Talking about the length of this car is 3,955 millimeters, guys. Coming up to the width of this car is 1,495 millimeters, guys. Talking about the height of this car is 1,325 millimeters. Whoa, coming up to the best part, that's the top speed. All the car enthusiasts gather up here. The top speed of this car is 125 miles per hour, which is seriously not bad for this car. Well, coming up to the acceleration time. The acceleration time in this car, the 0 to 60, it does it in 7.6 seconds, which is seriously not bad for a 90s car like this. Yup, guys, coming up to the best part, that's the price. All the major people come up here. The price of this car originally back in those days, it was just $2,796, but now if you want to roam with this 90s retro car brand new, you gotta pay up to $13,700, just $10,000 more. So yep, guys, coming up to the special facts of this car, as I've ended up all the information right here. Let's go for it. So yep, guys, here it tells that Datsun only built 1,000 molds of this Fairlady 2000 to the world, which is it was so much less. Like, you build a car which has only 1,000 molds, That's way too less, guys. So, yep, guys, as I've ended up all the informations right here, you know what to do. I'm telling you, for the old people right here who have subscribed to my channel already, please hit the like button. And for the new people, hit the subscribe button and share to all your friends and family. I'll see you all next week, guys, with a new video. Till then, stay tuned and enjoy your weekend. Bye-bye.